First thing you're going to do is set your stovetop to about medium heat, and you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. Next, you're going to add in 1/3 a cup of pure maple syrup or honey. Now just mix the maple syrup and the peanut butter together. Once everything's combined, you're going to turn the heat off and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that together. Once you've removed your mixture from the heat, you're going to want to add 2 cups of Rice Krispie cereal and 1 cup of oats. Next thing is just to mix it all together. Grease a baking dish with butter and add your Rice Krispie mixture. Just make sure you pat down your Rice Krispie mixture really tightly so when you cut it later on, it doesn't all fall apart. Add 1 cup of semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips to a microwave-safe bowl. And then add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now throw that in the microwave until fully melted. Now just add your melted chocolate and peanut butter mixture all over your Rice Krispie base. I like to add a little pinch of sea salt on top, but that's totally up to you. Now just throw your dessert in the fridge for about 30 minutes until it's hard. Be really careful when cutting this dessert because it can be a little bit tricky to get your knife all the way through. If you find it too difficult to cut, just wait 10 minutes until it's a little bit softer and your knife should go right through. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more fun and easy recipes, just click that subscribe button.